Hi, I'm Teri, and if this is Friday the 10th of July, then you must be Charter Academy. So welcome to my virtual event. Sometimes people are worried with things like being a writer that, you have to come from the right background or have the right connections, or it isn't something that you think you could do, but it really isn't true. I mean, I grew up in Canada. My dad had never finished high school. No one in my family at that point had ever even been to university. I never met a writer, didn't know anyone in the business, so it was just something that I wanted to do and managed to accomplish. And, if you really want to do something, you will find the way. So, if you're interested in being a writer, if you love making up stories, just try writing them down and see how it goes, because you never know where it might lead. Now, even though I've had 11 books published now, being a bit afraid of blank pages has never really gone away, and sometimes it's really difficult. And I think over the years I've learned some things about myself and how the process works that have made it easier, and I just want to share that with you today, and hoping it will help you come up with some of your own stories that will mean something to you. So as we go along through each video, there will be some tasks for you to do, and I'll just say try to be really honest with your answers and really think about them, because this is about you, and it is for you, and it should help you. So I hope you enjoy the process, and here we go.